Hey, let me show you how you can easily input your memory card into the Redmi A3. So first of all, you have to input this SIM tool into the left upper corner of this small hole. So put it like this and then gently press on it. Now the SIM slot actually pops. We can remove it with our fingernails. And from this, we have to just input the SIM card in this place. There we go. As you can see, when you input it correctly, it's like completely flat. The SIM card doesn't go above this SIM slot. And additionally, I can also input my SIM card. There we go. It's just right here inside. And now I can put it back like this in this position with this small information face to screen. Remember to get this face to screen. So put it like this, gently press on it. It's actually quite easy to put it. It's working pretty good. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.